Hey guys, this is Shivani and you're watching Mental Dental. Dr. Ryan and I have come up with a series of videos to help internationally trained dentists navigate the US dental school application process. So today we're going to learn about how to schedule your TOEFL test. Now, why do you need to give your TOEFL test? As international students, English might not be our first language. So, in order to prove our proficiency in the language, we have to give this test. Now, before you ace this test, let's learn how to schedule it. You can start by searching ets.org. The official page of ETS opens up. ETS is an official testing agency for TOEFL and other tests. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see the different tests that they conduct, and we need the TOEFL test. Now when you click on TOEFL, you see this page which gives you an option to register for the test. Click on that. Now they ask you to first create an account. So you can type in a username, your email address, and create a strong password. Now you can log in. Enter the username and password that you just created and sign in. Now it will show you an option to choose your test. TOEFL IBT is an internet-based test. You can select this option if you want to register for one test, and register now. Now enter your location. It can be in the US or in a foreign country too, whichever is your nearest location. I'm going to enter Mumbai, India, and you'll see a drop down of options. You can select whichever is nearest to you and click on search. Now when you scroll down, you'll see dates. When you select a date within a span of 7 days from the date of booking, you'll see that they charge you an express fee. If you do not want to pay that, you must select a date which is after a week. Now you can select a date whichever you want to appear on. Select your testing center. They'll give you the available times, so you can select whatever time suits you best. And a pop-up confirming your details will show. Save and continue. And now it will ask you for your personal details. Make sure that whatever details you enter in this form match the details on your ID, because you'll have to present it when you're going to take the test. So enter your first name, middle name is optional, your last name, date of birth, gender, and your address. Lastly, enter your phone number including the country code and continue to cart. Now if you want to take the TOEFL's official IBT prep course, you can add it to your cart, but there are very good free resources too if you want to go for it. It's up to you. I would suggest you can go for either. So yeah, your order summary would show the sum total of the test with the tax, and you can proceed to payment. Thank you guys for watching till the end. So that's how you register for your TOEFL IBT, and I would recommend that you go for the TOEFL IBT over the TOEFL Home Edition because most dental schools prefer the TOEFL IBT. And I hope these videos are helping you, and I will be back next time with another video to help you navigate this process.